When you go to Thanksgiving, I think the sides are the star of the dinner. Those are the dishes that people are talking about. I'm Charlie McKenna from Lily's Q. We're really just about real barbecue cooking from the South. I have an ability to cook things on a smoker and cook things on live fire that most traditional pit masters don't think of. Most of you know it as stuffing. Down where I come from, we call it dressing, right? So what we have here is like leftover cornbread, leftover biscuits. We'll take some of this cornbread, we'll get it in here. I like to add about 3 cornbread to 1 biscuit. What we'll do is we'll mix that up a little bit. We'll get the 2 eggs in there. We'll mash these up. We'll take that egg, we'll slowly drizzle that around. And you can see the drier the breadcrumbs are, the better, because then they soak up all this liquids. We'll start to add in our chicken stock. So we have nice house-made chicken stock here. We'll pour that in. We just want to do a little bit at a time. You got to use good chicken stock, right? If you buy chicken stock at the grocery store, which is totally fine, please try to get one that is low in sodium as possible. So we'll keep mixing this around. As I do that, I always like to season food as I go. So I'll sprinkle some salt in there. A little black pepper. Keep adding some more chicken stock. All right, so we're just trying to get this to where it's a little bit damp, but also still kind of firm. When I use any type of herb, I really like to use fresh herbs. This is thyme, which is my favorite. We'll also grab some of the sage. We'll take our celery and onion that we have nicely small diced, right? We want this smaller than the breadcrumbs that are in there. So as we go, we like to season with salt and pepper. So I will take a little bit of taste of the bread just to make sure I got the right seasoning. I might add a little touch of salt and a little touch of black pepper. Right. Next step is we're gonna get it into its dish and then we'll take it to the grill. But we are gonna put a top on this to bake so we don't dry it out too much. So we'll place this in the grill with the top on. Beautiful cornbread dressing. All right, so here we are with our finished up cornbread dressing. I'm gonna take these, move these over to the Weber Kettle. In about 45 minutes to an hour, we'll have great cornbread dressing. We have our little cast irons. Pull that off, set it down. Pop that top off, and you're gonna see this beautiful, nice cornbread biscuit crust on top with that nice juicy inset. Me and my grandmother Lily first cooked this together. It's very important to my family and very delicious, and I hope you and your family enjoyed as well.